Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Eachine E012HC. It's a big long name for a little tiny micro. Now, something I thought was kind of pretty bizarre about this thing was, here's the quadcopter, but it has an SD card slot. I know it's hard to believe, but it's right there. It's right there. And I was just like, wow, that little sucker's got an SD card slot in it, because it has a camera, which is right there. Now, it doesn't have FPV, so it doesn't have Wi-Fi, but you just hit the button and it'll supposedly record. That's what we're all hoping. So we'll see, right? Anyway, you get the spare props, the quadcopter, the transmitter, the charging cable, the battery, which is, I can't even read this. Well, it's not on here, but I'm sure it's in the manual somewhere. It looks like a little 150. That's what it looks like. That's what my guess is. It's going to be like a little 150. And then you get the instruction manual, which is so small you can't see it. It says, ugh, good Lord. There's the takeoff and land button there. This is to shoot the video. Press that in for the rates. Press that in for the speed. That's what it looks like to me. But, I don't know. We'll have to try it out. Man, getting this in here is not going to be easy. Okay, I got it in there. Yay. It has one of those little tongues on there to get the battery out when you, after you get it in there. So you can pull on it. Let's just bind it up real quick so it'll stop flashing. Okay. Now let's check to see if it has a level calibration. Kind of like that other one, I don't see that. So it must be one of them when you start it, it has to be on a level surface. Oh, there it goes. Down and to the right is the level calibration on it. Okay, now let's see if I hold that in to start the video, because I did put an SD card in there. Let's see if it changes the lights flash or any of that nonsense. Okay, it does those little quick bursts of light when it's recording the video. Alright, so let's just take off. There's the second rate. There's the third rate. Oh, it's pretty quick. Let's check the yaw speed out in the third rate. Oh, it's one of those spinorama deals. Flies good, man. Let's try some flips. Flips work good. I'm sending this to Donnie also. This is also going in his care package. So he's got to recuperate. So I've got about 6 things I'm sending him, so he can have something to do while he's recuperating from all those damn surgeries. Unlike the other one that, what was that one I was just flying over here? That JX1601, this has the duct fan motors, you know, so you're not going to mess up the props if you crash it, which I didn't mess those up. It crashed a couple times, but if you crash it enough times outside, you'll tear the props up. You know, that's a given. Yeah, it flies good, man. Looks good. It doesn't have the same, it doesn't have as severe a pitch on it as that 1601 did, you know. But still, it's pretty fast. You know, it's an indoor thing, you know. It's an indoor quadcopter, so. But, you know, I'm not keeping it. Uh-oh, that might be the low battery warning. So I'm going to cut the video. So this thing doesn't fly for that long. So you're just looking at a few minutes for this thing. Because that battery is awfully small. Now it won't flip no more, so that means the battery's taking a dump. And there it is. There's the dump it took. Okay. I don't care. This is the first and last time I'm ever flying it anyway, so who gives a crap, right? There you go. The flight time seemed about 3 minutes to me. That was just a little guess. A little guesstimate. So I'm sending this out to Donnie, so I won't fly it no more anyway, so who cares, like I said. It flies fine. It's just the battery is very small, and you're not going to get that much flight time, you know. So it is what it is. All right, guys. I'll put a link in the description if you want to take a look at it. I got it from Banggood. It's the Eachine E012. Now, it's showing here that it has Wi-Fi and all that, but it don't. So I don't know what the hell the deal is with that. All right, boys. Have a nice day.